Hello folks, and welcome to part 2 of the detention pond concrete channel. We last left off with the pouring of the concrete channel, and today I'll show you the placement of the erosion control. The contractor has excavated down approximately 2 feet, and the workers take a large piece of fabric filter material and spread it on top of the dirt. This will become part of the erosion control. The water will flow into the pond from the street and follow the channel and will exit the other end into a large ditch, or what we call a channel. You can see the broken concrete, or what we call riprap, that will complete the erosion control. The contractor places the large pieces of riprap onto the fabric material. According to the engineer's specification, 60% of the concrete pieces must weigh more than 50 pounds, while the other 40% can vary in size and weight. The operator has to be careful when placing the riprap on the fabric material. He doesn't want to move it. If the fabric moves, it could cause an erosion control failure months or even years from now. While he is placing the riprap, he tries to fit it together like a puzzle. He wants to try to keep it as tight and level as possible. You can see the large pile of riprap at the top of the pond. They use a front-end loader to bring it from the top of the pond to the erosion control area. The front-end loader drops the riprap in the approximate location and returns for another load. The trackhoe operator moves the riprap into the correct location and presses it down. Here we have a different angle. The trackhoe operator continues to move the riprap around to get a good tight fit. Notice how he compacts it with the bucket? The front-end loader makes the job a lot easier. The front-end loader is able to bring the riprap and drop it in the correct location. Here we have the finished product. The riprap is level and fitted tightly to prevent movement. Now you can see how this would prevent erosion. As you can see, the pond exit was done the same way. It is also level and tight. I hope you found this video interesting. I will show you part 3 when the pond is fenced and seeded with hydromulch. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.